After our one night in Geneva, and with our plan to be in Amsterdam by the end of October, we took a train to Luxembourg and its capital, Luxembourg City. For those from places like the United States, Luxembourg City is a bit of a hidden gem because it's outside the understanding of some of the larger, more imposing countries in Europe. Nestled between Belgium, France, and Germany, this little country's capital is we're stopping in. Imagine a place where modern skyscrapers sit comfortably next to medieval fortresses. And trust me, there's a ton of architectural eye candy for those who are interested in such things, like me. Culture-wise, Luxembourg's like a European melting pot. They speak Luxembourgish, but you'll hear French and German floating around on every street. There is a healthy blend of old world charm with modern flair, which makes sense when you figure the city's been around since the year 963. If you're into high quality shopping, Luxembourg City has you covered. From shishi luxury boutiques to chic local designers, it's a paradise for fashion enthusiasts. You'll find all the big names nestled in charming streets, offering a shopping experience that's both upscale and unique. Just bring your credit card, and Luxembourg City will definitely make you feel lighter in the pocketbook, but much, much more fashion forward. Historically, Luxembourg has had a VIP pass through European history. The Romans, Franks, and Burgundians, you name it, they've had all of these different cultures come into them because they're fairly central location in Europe. By the 19th century, it was a full-fledged Grand Duchy. It means that one of the world's only Grand Duchies left, with its own monarch, Grand Duke Henri.
No, passou por aqui. E vi não tá. Chegamos. Bueno, aqui havia residências também, não? Por exemplo,
One of the things we really loved a lot was the Chemin de la Corniche. It's dubbed the most beautiful balcony in Europe, and it's a scenic promenade offering breathtaking views of the Alzette River Valley and the city's fortifications, the original walls that protected the city. Strolling along the Corniche, you get a sense of the city's rich history and stunning architecture. It's a perfect spot for just, walking about, looking at things. There's tons of people kind of coming down there because it's worth seeing, and epic selfies if you're into such things. Just soaking up the beauty of Luxembourg. It's such an incredible view, and I'll catch it right here at the end of this clip. I want to at least warn you it's going to come. Once again, it's hard to see 3D, but it's amazing what you're going to see, what I saw from here. Upon Lisa's suggestion, we have omitted about a minute's worth of following the same three women because filming their backsides is kind of creeperish. Enjoy these pictures in the meantime. Well, hopefully, if you ever have a conversation about Luxembourg or think about coming here, you'll have a little bit of an understanding. Not a great one, but at least I've given you some clue. We were only here for 2 days. We had some really good Indian food, and had fun. It's a small but mighty country with history, culture, and a whole lot of charm packed into this cool little package. Ultimately, I believe our travel plans were far too aggressive in hindsight because Luxembourg really deserved more than a short 2 day visit. Perhaps later in this adventure, we'll get back here to see more of what this amazing city and country has to offer. I'd like to say thank you for following along on our epic adventure with backpacks as we're traveling the world. Please like and subscribe. Share with your friends, anybody you might think that likes to travel, because, hey, this is what we're here for. So enjoy your day, and thank you once again so much for following along.